Hey luxury lovers, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my video. So I'm gonna get right into it. So guys, when I went to Vegas about a month ago, I grabbed this little beauty here, and I wanted to get her because I did hear about the price increases that were coming for September, and I wanted to go ahead and just make my last purchase before the price increase. And I actually been wanting to get this bag for quite some time, but I heard it had a lot of issues and I was very hesitant to purchase it in the past until, you know, I kind of knew everything was going to be resolved. And I have been watching other people's YouTube channels, and they have been ranting and raving about how this is their, you know, ride or die bag, and they like use this every day. So I decided to just go ahead and purchase this before the price went up, because if you guys haven't been following those price increases, man, they have been a doozy. We just had a price increase for Louis Vuitton in February. I think it was February the 16th was the last price increase for them. And they have another one coming up for September. So, I mean, if there's something you really want and you know that it's something that goes up in price, it's probably a good time to grab it before you have to pay more money for it. So if you're able to do so, I would say go ahead and grab whatever's on your list before they increase the price. But this is my little baby right here, and then I'll have to think about my next couple of purchases based on how much the price has increased on things that I'm interested in on my wish list. So that's just me being an informed consumer. So I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. So I'm not going to make you guys wait any further. Let's go ahead and pop this ribbon and everything off so I can show you guys what I picked up. And again, like they said, the price increase is coming for September, and I did hear on another channel that they're looking at the first 2 weeks of September for the price increases. So if you do not know now, you know now to go and get whatever is on your list before it goes up. Some of the bags have seen really big increases, like the Cuisine bag like went up I think 20% on the last price increase. That is insane. And then like I think some of the other bags went up like 8%, and like the Speedies and stuff like that. So it's like kind of all over the place. I don't know what products are going to be impacted on the upcoming price increase, but definitely go grab what you're looking for before September, because I don't know if they're going to price everything out of our range that we don't buy anything, or you just stay with your little small collection because it's just not worth spending that kind of money. So we all have to figure out what our decision is on that one, right? So let's go. So here she is. Let's pop her out her box. Dun, dun, dun. And here is my long-awaited baby that I was so indecisive about, and I finally just decided to break down and get her before the price increase, because she has been going up also over the last couple of years. When I went and looked at the historical facts of price increases on certain bags, and some of them have been really moving up in price. So without further delay, let's go. Here she is. Dun, dun, dun. So guys, I decided to go with the Pochette Métis, and this has like been on my wish list for like the last couple of years, but I was scared to get it because I kept hearing all the reviews, like, and I follow like the YouTuber Jerusha Couture, and she's gotten this bag like 3 times and had problems. But I just decided I'm just going to go ahead, pull the trigger, and pick this bag up, because I've also seen so many great reviews on other people's channel, like Marquita LV, and she's talked about how they might be getting ready to get rid of the reverse monogram. So I wanted to go ahead and pick her up. So this is my 360 view for you guys, nice and slow, so you can check her out. We have a lovely pocket on the back with a zipper. And I just love this reverse monogram. And these Pochette Métis have come in other prints now and other colors, which I think is awesome. I love the empreinte leather, the pink one I see, and the black one. They look so great. So I finally decided to pick one. So I just went with the monogram, reverse monogram, and figured I would go with this one. And let's get started. So she just opens. You just push this in. She pops open. And we have the reverse monogram on the inside as well. And the best part I like about this bag is that the handle is black, because I really was worried about the vachetta getting dirty from grabbing it by the handle. And I do like to carry bags like this by the handle. That's something that I like to do. It does have the strap inside, which I'll show you here. So here we go. Here's our strap. And inside we have 3 pockets inside. And this is not suede. It feels like suede. I forgot the proper name for it, but it's not a suede material in here at all. And we have this first section here, we have another section here, and then we have this hidden pocket back here. So I can't wait to use this bag. Everybody's talked about how much stuff you can get in here, and I can see that. You could definitely get a lot of stuff in here. I guess the only thing I'm worried about is whether or not I should order the inserts for this bag, because I was wondering if it's going to take up too much space and make the bag bulky. But if you guys have this bag already, can you let me know whether or not you're using the inserts, and do you like the inserts or not like the inserts for this pochette métisse? I would really love to hear you guys' opinions down in the comment sections. That'll kind of help me figure out what I want to do. But this is like so cool. I'm so happy to have this bag. I heard a lot of people say this is their everyday bag. This is their travel bag. And I think that's so cool. So we have the gold hardware here. I'm just going to go ahead and attach the strap here so I can give you a quick mod shot. And this is her with her strap. And let's go ahead and put her on. So this is what she looks like on me. And I think this is like a great bag for me, like especially traveling or just every day. I think this will be like really good for me. And I can't wait to start using her. I'm so happy I have it though. Long awaited. And I wish I'd have brought it like 2 years ago when it was cheaper. This bag is $25.70. God only knows what it's going to go to with the price increase. I think I'm going to just cool my jets for a minute on Louis and kind of look at some other bags. But for me, this is probably my last purchase for the year because of the price increase. So I'm going to enjoy her. I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing with me. If you have some great tips about those bag organizers for me, please leave it below. Any brands that you've had good experiences with. And let me know, does it really make the bag bulky, or does it kind of balance everything out? Because I was thinking it was just going to be like it's just going to be too bulky, and I was just worried about that. So guys, let me know, and I will see you at my next unboxing. Keep smiling, keep shining, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It does help this little small channel here on YouTube. And I'll be back with some other great content for you guys later. So keep watching. Bye.